Hey guys, nice that you're watching a new episode of Ben on the Road, and in this episode it's all about my shock absorber. My shock absorber, it's like I have no shock absorber anymore, it's worn out completely, so I had to look for another one. I found a nice one at the second-hand site here in the Netherlands. The guy who sells it, it's Ben. I'm going there, I will pick it up and we go mount it to the bike. And the day I wanted to mount my shock absorber, I got stopped by a police officer. So, in the end, the shock absorber is gonna be really expensive. Or maybe not. Keep watching.
So, navigation to the right. Look, and this kind of bumps when you're into a corner, then I really feel the shock absorber is completely empty. Also to the left. We are here. Alright.
And then I met Ben, and it was just a meaning to pick up the shock absorber, but actually I could stay here all day and talk about bikes.
We are owner of a new shock absorber, or new, good as new, much better than what I have now. But guys, I met such a nice person, Ben. He's really a nice guy, knows a lot about motorcycles, and I love his energy. He also gave me something. I will show you guys. It's cruise control. See here? You can just turn it. Turn this against your ring, and then you see it will hold the gas. Great. I have to go home because I told my girlfriend I will be home at 2. I will not make it. So yeah, we're going to a barbecue. Anyhow, see you in the next part, and then we are going to mount the shock absorber. See ya.
Good morning guys. We are a few weeks further, or maybe 2 months, I don't know, but we still didn't mount the new shock absorber. We are going to my father to the garage, and there's a little thing. I have to take all my tools, and that's gonna be a problem because my toolbox will not fit in one of the panniers, so I think I will just throw it off. I'm gonna enjoy my black toasty, and yeah, let's go. And then we go to Zeeland, to the garage. So now I just have to throw some of this shit in this pannier. Ready.
So we're on our way, guys. Let's see what the day will bring. Jesus, what's happening here? On a bloody Sunday. We all have to go. Oh, it seems like the tunnel is closed. So that's a thing. No? There are a lot of people actually who, you know, they give you space, but there are also a lot of people who can't live with it, you know, that you have a bike and that you can press through, and actually it's the white vans and Teslas. And if you are driving a lot in traffic, you can agree this. We're going through the tunnel, and then I know a shortcut. But of course only possible with those tires. Tires like this, and the bike of course. Why is the tunnel shut down actually? What's the fucking problem? Problem, guys. Oh jee, die is boos. Goeiedag.
Ik kan uw rijbewijs zien alsjeblieft.
Ik kan het goede wel weglaten, denk ik, voor mezelf.
Nou ja, dat denk ik ook. Ja.
Ja, een rijbewijs. Die ligt thuis.
U heeft wel een rijbewijs?
Ja, ik heb
legitimatiebewijs of zo.
Ik zal het zeggen, ik had alles in mijn cameratas.
Ja.
Maar die tas past hier niet in en dan doe ik alles in een ander tasje. En ik denk niet dat ik die hierin gedaan heb.
Okay. Stapt het motorfiets op u nou?
Ja.
Je vragen eerlijk te zijn, hoe hard rijden?
Nou,
er gebeurt niks mee, ik ga er niks mee doen, dat is een afspraak die we maken.
Ja, als ik hem even open trek en ik wil een knallight uit laten halen, dan gaan we zeker richting de onder.
Ja, dat denk ik ook. Ik bedoel... Ik doe er nog uit. Wat is dat? Normaal heb ik hier alleen fietsers. Maar dan moet ik nog even stoppen en de motor uitzetten. En dan heb ik 5 weken rijden.
Even dan, fijne dag. Hoi hoi. Rijd safe. Okay guys, I had an angel on my shoulder. It was just a warning. So I am very lucky with that. So here we are at the bike. Look, I put some ballast there with the belt and a stick so the rear wheel is free. I think I have to disable the exhaust. And here we have the spring. More. So it's just a matter of this one, getting rid of this. And here's another bolt, so and here we have special forces, so
No.
I think we can make it today. In een puukje opsteken.
Ja, je kunt daar niet opgelegd, hè?
Nou, dat is het puukje verzetten.
leaking shock absorber. Here we got the other one. Okay, the part with the shock absorber, that went way too easy, and now I'm trying to put back the wheel, but something is not going well inside this with the braking pads, and I have no clue how this is mounted. So you know what? Let's take the whole fucking shit off, and then at least I can see why it's not working. Caught in the moment. Hey Boris! Goeiedag. Okay guys, I mounted everything back, and now it's a matter of cleaning up the mess, and let's see if it's an improvement. Yeah, of course it is. Alright. Oh yeah! Oh fuck! Nice!
First impressions, guys, it's like a world of difference. I like it. Yeah, it's so much better. Only I have to go back because I forgot to take the wrench to check the wheel bolts, and actually I just moved over and I was checking, and they are already a little bit loose. So stupid. Now I already feel the wheel going all directions. I really have to check this first before I drive further. So bad. This is so stupid.
And you know what, guys? Let's end the video here, because now I am in a hurry. I have to do some things at home. I have an appointment with someone, so thanks for watching, guys, to be with me this whole tour in search for a shock absorber, and I really appreciate it. So from here, have a good night. And that's where the audio got bad, because I grabbed in my microphone what's behind my cheeks in the helmet. But I was saying thanks for watching, and I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. I'm really improving everything, so it only gets better, and I like it that you're with me. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.